Celine, she went to Gucci. I ride with some harness on me.
Hey everybody, it is Ari, and today is just gonna be a vlog, a day in the life of a hairstylist. Right now, I am on my way to the shop. I just picked up breakfast. My first client canceled, so I had a little bit of extra time, so I ran and got me some breakfast from Wendy's. And now I'm about to head to the shop. My next client isn't for another hour, so I guess I'll probably like deep clean my suite and eat. And this car's too close behind me. Thank you. Get over. Yeah, I'm gonna just clean up my suite, eat, kind of chill and stuff before my next client comes. I'm gonna try to give y'all like a video of like my suite and everything like that too. Yeah, so far today is a pretty light day because one of my clients did cancel. I know my hair look a mess, so we're just gonna ignore that. One of my clients canceled, so today's gonna be a pretty light day. I only have 2 clients. I have microlink maintenance and I have a silk press, but that's it. So today is a fairly light day. So it looks like I'll be getting off pretty early. So when I get off, hopefully I can go home and just lay around because I am tired. I was at the shop all night last night doing a color correction, and yeah, I'm just really like drained and I'm ready to go home. I'm ready, but it's only 2 clients. I can make it through 2 clients, so yeah. I'll check back in when I make it to the shop.
I would like to get to know if you could be the kind of girl that you could get down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that should make a move on.
up and them nasty up. Fix things, quick things, loopings. Well, alright then. Can you see me a cleanest? Clothes when me rocking at the fucking realest. Ching-ching. Inna the Louis V vest, girl want with his squeeze silicone and real bless. Can a blow breeze from the head of my penis. Coolest breeze that me rocking a sleeveless. Ease out, ease out.
Shelby Drive, look alive, niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied. Hey, look who I'm around, man. If I fucked up, I'ma be downtown, man. Full flow down, man. That's if I get caught, man. Push me to the edge, so it really ain't my motherfucking fault, man. I'm not to blame, man. The fucking industry is cutthroat. I'm not the same, man. And I could let you check the tag. Now I'm rocking name brand. I'm only chasing after bags. Now I got a game plan, and I'm out here with the 700 3i5s. Look alive, look alive. Niggas came up on this side, now they on the other side. Oh well, fuck them dawg, we gon' see how hard they ride. I get racks to go outside, and I split it with the guys. We up on the other side, niggas acting like we tied. I been gone since like July, niggas acting like I died. They won't be expecting shit when Capo go to slide, cause I told them that we put that shit behind us, but I lied.
Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel a chemistry. I won't let no one come and take your place. Cause the love you give, it can't be replaced.